Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad tree, full guide. Start by selecting a sturdy trunk and firm fruits that can be skewered without breaking. Cut fruits into consistent sizes and chill them briefly so they stay fresh while you work. Use floral foam or a foam cone as your base, insert skewers at varied angles, and arrange colors for an eye-catching display that stays tasty at parties. Choose fruits that hold up well on skewers and look vibrant when arranged together. Combine strawberries, pineapple, grapes, melon, and apple for texture contrast and visual pop. Keep softer fruits like mango or banana to a minimum or use them as internal layers to avoid quick bruising. Rinse and pat dry fruits thoroughly, then chill them so they slice cleanly and stay firm while you build the tree centerpiece for guests to enjoy. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy food projects. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for upbeat tunes and hands-free timers while you prep fruit. It pairs nicely with kitchen tasks and creates a fun atmosphere for guests. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Begin assembling by anchoring larger pieces at the base and working upward with smaller fruits. Angle skewers slightly outward to form a conical tree silhouette and avoid overcrowding any one spot. Rotate the base as you work to maintain symmetry and step back frequently to spot gaps. For longevity, mist fruits lightly with a citrus solution to slow browning and refrigerate the finished tree until just before guests arrive for best presentation and freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.